Hello 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today, I'm making a vegetarian dish using soft tofu. This recipe tastes amazing and is a great way to eat healthy. The exact amount is in the description box. Now, I'll show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by opening the tofu box and strain it. Then we need to cut the tofu into cubes. Now soak the tofu in cold water to remove the soybean flavor. Then split the white part of the green onion in half and cut the onions about 1.5 inches. Let's cut some garlic, remove the husk and mince it. Now let's make cornstarch slowly. Add water and cornstarch, then mix it. Strain the tofu and rinse it off. Now add some oil into the hot water. Add the garlic and stir fry to release the fragrance. Now add water, light soy sauce, Chinese BBQ sauce, and salt. Then add the tofu and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Make sure to flip the tofu so it soaks the flavor from all sides. When the sauce reduces and the tofu turns brown, add the mushroom seasoning. Now add the green onion and cornstarch slowly. Mix it all together and it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! Look, so appetizing! Tofu very soft and smooth. It's very delicious. I really like Chinese BBQ sauce. It is savory and very fragrant. It's so flavorful. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见